In this video, I'm going to show you how to add button in system.io. So the first step is to simply go over to your sales funnels. And as you can see, I have one right here. Now, if you don't have one, you can simply click on create, and then it's gonna look something similar to this. So you can simply click on add step here at the bottom, and you can simply choose the type. So if you want, you can add a sales page, order form, etc. Now I'm gonna use this one here that I already created, and then what we're gonna have to do next is simply click on this button, the edit page button, and then we're gonna get redirected here. Now here we can change everything. We can change the text, the colors, we can add images, etc. But we want to add the button. So in order to add the button, simply scroll down here on the left side and then simply drag your button and place it wherever you want. So I'm gonna add it right here, and then we're gonna have to click on it. And then as you can see here, we have action when button clicked. So we can simply select that, and maybe you want to redirect them to another website, or you want to submit form, as you can see, or download file. You have a lot of steps. You can simply select them. As you can see, I've chose open URL, and then simply type in the URL here. And basically when they click on this button, there will open that page basically. Now here we have some settings, so we can change the alignment, we can change the button width here, as you can see, we can change the margins if we want, etc. Then we can scroll down, or here we can add the text. So here let's say buy now, and then here we can increase the size, we can change the font type if we want. So let's see, so here we gonna be able to select the font that we have here in the sales page. Then here we have some subtext that we can change, and we can change the font size. Then we can change the color. So you're gonna have to simply scroll down and play around with these settings. There are a lot of them. As you can see, we can make this button available, basically visible, only on desktop or mobile, or simply on both of them, and that's it. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.